As data breaches escalate, businesses face significant financial risks. Cybersecurity threats are becoming increasingly sophisticated and frequent. Companies must allocate substantial budgets to mitigate these risks. Risk budgets are a critical component of a company's cybersecurity strategy. Compliance with regulatory requirements is also a major consideration. Non-compliance can result in severe penalties and reputational damage. Insurance policies are being developed to protect against cyber attacks. Enterprise sales teams are targeting large corporations with security solutions. The cybersecurity industry is driven by the need for protection and compliance. Startups are emerging with innovative solutions to address these threats. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being leveraged to enhance security. Understanding the hidden economics of cybersecurity is crucial for businesses to stay ahead. Companies allocate significant budgets to mitigate cyber threats effectively. Risk management strategies involve compliance and insurance considerations. Enterprise sales teams play a crucial role in cybersecurity budget allocations. Data center servers and cybersecurity dashboards are critical infrastructure components. Surveillance cameras in cities and privacy settings on devices are essential. Startup teams develop innovative solutions to enhance cybersecurity measures. GPU server racks and code screens abstracts illustrate complex systems. Security operations rooms monitor and analyze potential threats constantly. Cloud data centers store vast amounts of sensitive information securely. Compliance with regulations is a major factor in cybersecurity budgeting. Insurance policies for cyber attacks are becoming increasingly important. Understanding these hidden economics is vital for businesses to stay secure. Compliance and regulation play a crucial role in cybersecurity economics. Highly regulated industries face significant hidden costs in this area. Risk budgets are allocated to manage potential compliance issues effectively. Enterprise sales teams must navigate complex regulatory landscapes daily. Surveillance cameras in cities and privacy settings on devices are also relevant. Startup teams whiteboard ideas to tackle emerging cybersecurity challenges constantly. GPU server racks and code screens abstracts illustrate complex system interactions. Security operations rooms in cloud data centers house sensitive information always. Personnel using privacy settings and laptop code reviews are essential tasks. Server racks and security cameras symbolize the ongoing cybersecurity effort. Analyzing these hidden economics is vital for businesses to stay secure and compliant. As cybersecurity threats escalate, companies are seeking new ways to manage risk. Enter cybersecurity insurance, a growing market for mitigating potential losses. Risk budgets are being allocated to invest in insurance policies and compliance measures. Compliance with regulations is a major driver of cybersecurity spending and insurance adoption. Enterprise sales teams are targeting large corporations with comprehensive security packages. Data center servers and surveillance cameras symbolize the ongoing effort to secure data. A new generation of cybersecurity professionals is emerging to tackle these complex challenges. Startup teams are developing innovative solutions to stay ahead of emerging threats. GPU server racks are being utilized to power advanced threat detection systems. Companies are navigating complex privacy settings to protect customer data and reputation. Analysis suggests that hidden economics of cybersecurity are influencing business decisions and strategies. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for businesses to stay secure and competitive in the digital age. Enterprise sales teams are capitalizing on the growing demand for security solutions. Companies are allocating significant risk budgets to protect themselves from cyber threats. Compliance with regulatory requirements is a major driver of cybersecurity investments. Insurance policies are being tailored to cover cyber-related losses and damages. Data centers are being built with robust security measures to safeguard sensitive information. Surveillance cameras are monitoring city streets to prevent and investigate cyber crimes. Startups are developing innovative solutions to address emerging cybersecurity challenges. Security operations rooms are being staffed with experts to monitor and respond to incidents. Companies are implementing robust privacy settings to protect customer data. Analysis suggests that the cybersecurity industry will continue to grow rapidly. Understanding the hidden economics of cybersecurity is crucial for businesses to stay secure. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.